Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm V. So guys, today I'm going to show you town, how it looks like. This is December holidays, people are traveling, so I'm going to show you around how chaotic it looks like during this time of the year, Christmas, December holidays.
Something more than silver, something more than life.
Wapi? 29 niko job, 30 niko job, 31 alafu nini 29 no, hii wiki ya 25th 25th niko home, 26
Brenda. Ndio muri wake hapo.
So huendi mahali? Kwa nini upendi line? Hii ni ndefu. Sikuwa nimeona inaenda mpaka huko.
Sina kitu kingine kufanya.
Sikuwa najua inaenda huko. Hii hapana. Ako serious anaongoza Uber?
Ameniambia. Unaona?
Mimi nataka nimpige nimwambie Deno tulia hapo. Angoje hiyo Uber. Afadhali tumwambie atukate atuchukulie tu. Na si lazima tutumie na M-Pesa, atatupea kesho cash. Juu M-Pesa si inamkata. Watu wanatembea kupatia magari. Unaenda kucheza game?
Nilienda nyumbani saa 2.
Naonekana nje tu lakini ndani.
Hizi ni gari za home. Hii natafanya ikienda. Nataka kuona nini?
Wapi madam?
One. Kunaendanga hivyo.
Tusalimiane tu video call.
I've been trying to do these videos where I'm showing you how Nairobi looks like, how busy it is, especially at the bus stations that go up country. So yesterday night I went to town because I wanted to see how busy it is at those bus stations. So guys, you won't believe it. I'm telling you, people are traveling back to the village. Like this festive season, it's a big thing. It's a big thing. So it's my first time being in the city for Christmas. I'm alone. I'm in the city because number one, I hate that struggle.
Hey guys,
Of going to like how they were doing. I don't like that. I'd rather stay in the city until it cools down, then I can go to the village. So I'm here because of that. And the second reason I'm still in the city is because I'm on shift. I'm on call for my work, because it's not that kind of work where you can leave it like that. So me and 1, 2, 3, 4 of my colleagues, we are still at work, but we are working from home. I was in town, guys, as I was saying. It's super busy, like busy. People are staying there. People, like, oh my God, I couldn't believe it. Like a lot of people. People are going home. People are traveling. And Nairobi, Nakuru, guys, that's the route I use when I'm going to the village. Nairobi, Nakuru, there was traffic, like a lot of traffic. It's super, like, I'm just shocked on how like things are happening here in the city. So what I'll do, tomorrow I'll go, I think, to the mall, or I don't know, somewhere, just not in town, but I'll see if I can make it to town to show you how it looks like on 25th here in Nairobi. I'm so happy. I'm super excited. I can't wait for tomorrow, guys, so that I can show you around. So yes, guys. So let me know what you think, guys. Does this happen in your country? Like, do people move from the city to the villages, from the city to countryside during Christmas and New Year's? Do people like move back to the village, or is it the opposite? Like, I used to work in Tanzania, and I know people used to come from Dar es Salaam to where I was working. Like, they move from the capitals to the village. It's usually like that. So I'm hoping whole of Africa, that's how it is. But if you're not from Africa, you can kindly let us know in the comment section below how you do it.
Oh my God, there are a lot of people who are traveling right now to the villages for holidays. So let's go to the other side and see. Watu wana travel usiku na kabla unafikiria ni soko iko hapa. Wow. So watafika kesho kutwa. Niko easy coach. Kitale na.
And guys, I'm not forgetting, Merry Christmas to you all. Happy festive season.